Cheers. This is at the back of the garage, and as you can see, there is a 240, well, there's a 240 cable running through there, and it's just under the gravel. There's no protection, nothing at all, no indication of that there's electrical cable there. This is why you have to work very carefully on wet days. Come with me. So, that's what I want to talk about this morning. We picked up the 3x2 slabs in this area. It's a good solid base for the 3x2s, or the 2x2s I should say rather, those old council flagstones. And whilst we were digging it out, there we are. This is the cable that is actually servicing the garage for power and along the rear bed. Now, you need to check out about cables, electrical cables, and what's allowed and what isn't allowed. And basically, you need to know a little bit about this as a landscaper, because if you see this, you have a moral obligation, I'm not sure about a legal obligation, but a moral obligation to point out to your client that that is potentially dangerous. There's no marker tape on it at all whatsoever. There's no ducting whatsoever. It would have been so easy to put the cable in a lead. As you can see there, where it's going, I'm not sure. There is another mains power going there, but have a look round here now. Come over here. Come around the back here. And again, we started cleaning this gravel scree area off here, and as you can see, there is a cable. To be honest, I don't know if it's got any chips in. It's not the right cable for outdoors. It's going to perish at some point, so we're going to have to do something about it. We just can't leave that like that. Even if we wrap it in something and put some warning tape on the top. This has got to be paved. But what you don't want is the cement decay in the plastic, because it will. Cement will do that. So make sure, guys, that when you're coming across the situation, you need just basically to inform your client of it, and they can make a decision about what they want to do. That's it for now. We will at some point sort this tap out, but in the meantime, we adapt and we overcome. Well, here we are. It's a wet day, it's a miserable day, and it's not a good day for putting in stone dust, but we were under a little bit of pressure from the client. Only a little bit. They're all right, they're fine, and they wanted the stone dust in, and we have compacted it underfoot. It's not that thick, and it was nice and dry when it comes. The trouble is with stone dust, it's a great product, okay, but the problem is that if it gets wet, it takes a few days to dry, and it gets very hard then. So, but it's in, 4 ton in, ready to go. And we'll give it a couple of days now, and hopefully they'll be happy that they're not seeing brown dirt. The surface area is changing slowly. Oh my God, what a day. Oh, absolutely soaking. It's a funny old thing, isn't it? When clients want you to get on with the job, and you warn them about inclement weather conditions, the frost, the rain, and the damage it can cause, and also the mess it can actually make. And you know, we've cleaned it now, it's done, but somebody will say something about the water out there, but they want it done. They gotta have it. They have to have it. Well, here you are. We have here 4 receipts. We have this one here, This was some stone dust that we collected on the way through from a local independent builders merchant, and it came out for 1 ton bag of stone dust. It came out 32 plus VAT, which is £38.40. £38.40 they charged us at Whitchurch Building Supplies, 1 bag. And that was on the way through, so it works out absolutely perfect, but still in Cardiff, another builders merchant in Cardiff. So anyway, we went to our local preferred juicing supplier because it was over this side of town, and I just looked at the receipts, and we have 3 receipts. We did 3 collections, never really looked at it because normally got faith in them, and it come out at £46.28. £46.28. So without a doubt, a difference of £8.12 per bag, so times 3, which is £25 nearly, £25. That's nearly another bag. Tut juicings, you know, if you want my trade, you're gonna have to look after me. You're gonna have to do better than £46.28.